Today I'm making chocolate muffin. Ingredients: 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup whole milk at room temperature, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, chocolate chips or chocolate shavings for topping. Instructions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Muffin tin with paper liners. In a medium bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a large bowl, whisk together cocoa powder and milk until smooth. Whisk in oil and vanilla extract. Add dry ingredients to chocolate mixture and stir until just combined. Do not overmix. Divide batter evenly among muffin cups. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow muffins to cool in tin for 5 minutes. Then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Top with chocolate chips. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate muffins. The calorie count for a chocolate muffin can vary depending on the recipe, size, and ingredients. However, here's an approximate estimate. A standard-sized chocolate muffin 2.5 to 3 inches in diameter. Calories 250 to 350. Fat 10 to 12 g. Carbohydrates 35 to 40 g. Sugar 20 to 25 g. Protein 3 to 4 g. Keep in mind that these values can differ depending on the specific ingredients and portion size. Some chocolate muffins can have as many as 500 to 600 calories.